different countries have different currencies. Different countries have different currencies like dollars, sterling pounds, sterling pound, euro dollar, Indian rupee, in Japan, yen, in the Europe countries using the euro dollar, American using US dollar, Great Britain using pound sterling, Indian using the Indian rupee, Japanese using the yen in their domestic trade and transaction. All of the using the currency for domestic trade and transaction, domestically using their own currency in their own land. But when they have trade relationship between one to other, it's mean America and Britain, Britain and America, Europe and India, and India with China, Japan. Simultaneously, this is the reciprocal system in the international trade. Countries may have trade relationship with one country to another country, or it will have multiple transaction with multiple countries. That's why the required foreign exchange market. So now we have to know the meaning of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means the process of converting one currency of one nation into that of another or foreign currency. This is the process. Now, for example, we have to take example the process of converting one currency. It's mean uh, $1 $1 can be converted into 65 rupees. 65 rupees. This is called the process of converting one currency of one nation into that of another currency. Generally, within the borders of a particular country uses their domestic currency. In India, we are using rupee. Rupee is rupee is our Indian currency. Indian currency. It is accepted within the boundary of India. No one can reject this currency because it is backed by the government. But when we have international trade with England, European continents, Japan, America, and many other countries, what we have to pay and what type of currency we have to pay, it's depend upon our trade partners. So this trade partners will ask dollar, sterling pound, euro dollar, yen, or any other currencies. This the Indian rupee won't be run in America. That's why Indian rupee should convert into the dollar at the foreign exchange market. This foreign exchange market enables and helps to the international trade and international trade and transactions. Let us assume an Indian students want to go to America for their higher studies. Indian students want to go to America for higher studies. In America, he will have to bear all his expenses in American dollar only. Now, the question is, where will he get American dollar? How he can get American dollar for his all expenses? And at what rate he had to exchange Indian rupees to American dollar? This is the questions. How he can get and where he can get the US dollar, and at what rate he have to get American dollar. This is one of the question. So his demand for American dollar is a demand for foreign exchange. His demand for American dollar is the demand for foreign exchange, which would be supplied in the foreign exchange market. This demand would be supplied in the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange means the foreign exchange market means a market for converting the currency of one country into that of another foreign currencies. Without the foreign exchange market, the international trade and international investment would be impossible. It helps to international trade and international investment by converting one currency into the another currency. The major participants of foreign exchange market is the commercial banks, foreign exchange brokers, and other recognized dealers.